super stoked. I just pulled up, got something cool that I'm super excited. All the hard work we've done over the last handful of years, it's been really awesome to see, but we got a building. It's an empty blank canvas. There's literally nothing in here. It's just an open space, air conditioned, heat, couple bathrooms. Stoked. We've got big plans for the building. Office is gonna go right here. Another office space right there. This will be the employee conference area. We've got blue tape down. Big whiteboard there, big conference table here. Get the team together. Storage spot for our goods. The blue tape there is for broom, squeegees, whatever. And then on the walls, man, we're gonna have our mission, vision, values. You know, we're gonna have some signage going up. So whenever you first walk into this door, you get to see what we're about here at Mole Miners. So we want to, we've already started a trapping conference that's gonna be held in this room to hopefully teach guys how to be better mole trappers, how to be better business owners, whether it's animal trapping of some sort, ADC work, or if it's moles exclusive. Office, but then this big giant section here ends up being our admin team that's gonna answer our phone calls for our large multi, expansion. And we're in 5, 10, 15 locations. So hopefully we have like just big cubicles here for our team to work. And none of this would have been possible without my wife, my technicians, my customers. I'm indebted to all of you guys. Thank you for the hard work that you've put in. To our technicians, thank you for that hard work. To my wife, I love you dearly. Thank you for sacrificing and taking care of our kids so we can build this. And thank you to our customers for entrusting us to remove your issues, your mole issues, your vole issues, your chipmunk issues. Thank you for entrusting us. Thank you for being a loyal customer to us. And man, we're just blessed, and bigger, better things are here to come at Mole Miners. We're so excited to be working on that to service you better. And I'm stoked. I can't stop saying it. It's awesome. I mean, we've been dreaming about this for years and we're here. So thank you.